I'd like to say the mayor got better looking since high school, but he didn't. Right? And neither did I, right, brother? Uh, it's been an honor. It's an honor to be asked to be here today. But Plant City, actually, to be totally candid with you, was a choice that we would have loved to have made. We were in a neighboring county beforehand, and we basically did not have a location in that county to land to move our facilities. We needed about 300,000 square feet. We wound up with a great deal with the Gordon Food Service building. They leased us the west side of their building. So we were looking to stay in Polk County, but the facilities were not there. But once we began to look in this area, we knew from day one it was a fit. And I've been blessed to be born in this area. I'm from Pinecrest, for you old timers. That's Lithia, south of Plant City. And I've known a lot of these people. Of course, the mayor and I went to school together. Mr. Sparkman I've known for years. I know the close family ties that are here. And we knew that the way Highland, our company is, we're a family-run company as well, it would be a perfect fit. So once the opportunity to remain in it's hard to move a manufacturing facility. It's tremendous cost just to move. But once that decision was made, we were very excited to come here, primarily because of the roots and the strong family environment that has always been a part of this city. And there's always a concern or a fear. You bring all this business in, all these people come in, and things change. But I believe the core values of Plant City will remain. It's still a great agricultural community. The bulk of our packaging, when we decided to manufacture back in, we just made that decision in 2005. We got our first equipment in 2008, so we're fairly new at it. The Plant City strawberry growers and great tomato growers were our core customer base. But we knew very quickly, before we invested the dollars, that we had to expand. So we can't just live off the Florida strawberry deal. We're very proud that we came here. If you look at packaging costs for our local growers, they have dropped tremendously. We estimate about $7 million a year in packaging savings alone just because of the free enterprise system and bringing packaging here. Prior to Highland coming, most of the packaging was manufactured in Chicago or in California and was brought into Florida for our growers. And by Highland showing up, we were all of a sudden those guys didn't have to make the margins they needed to make in those days. Isn't that funny how that works? So we're very proud of that. My grandfather was a farmer, so our whole culture at Highland is based strongly in the farming community. And but we also knew that we needed a place to expand. Today, we've been again blessed with tremendous growth. The majority of our products are not even sold in Florida anymore. We ship quite a bit of our products to the West Coast. About 35% of our sales now go West Coast. So freight became a huge issue for us as well. And the neat thing about being located in Florida is if you ship from the West Coast into Florida, the expense is tremendous coming in, but your backhauls are relatively inexpensive compared to inbounds. Same as north. If you're up north shipping into Florida, the cost is high. Shipping back out of Florida is relatively inexpensive, sometimes as much as a 50% reduction. So we felt we had a tremendous competitive advantage on freight, but having rail available as well was tremendous. Again, 35% of our sales today actually go to CSX by rail and ship throughout the country into other warehousing throughout the United States and Canada. So Plant City, when you look at all those things and everything you've already heard of today, it just fit the mold perfectly. It's located, it's grounded with good American traditional values. It has a great workforce that's grounded in those values, and then we have strategically a great location to be able to manufacture and then ship product throughout the country and throughout even Mexico is a big market for us as well right now. And we can do that by truck or we can do that by rail. So it's very important. I might add the city of Plant City was just a tremendous blessing on our part. I won't get into our background, but where we came from, we have a location in Florida. We have a recycling company now in Texas, just north of Dallas. So I've dealt with about 4 different municipalities. But Plant City, by far, you see Mike's enthusiasm, but by far it was the most pleasant group to deal with as far as getting set up. And I can speak honestly with you all. I would tell you if it's otherwise. Where we came from, very hostile. I was told by a city manager that he was tired of corporations taking advantage of the municipalities. That's how hostile it was. Called me to his office to make sure I got the message loud and clear. So coming here was a breath of fresh air, knowing that they're here, they want to serve, they want to create environments where companies can come in, and then it's a self-feeding entity from that point forward. So that's our story. There's a lot more to it, but the reason we came to Plant City is again, was kind of out of a default. But once we realized this is the direction we needed to go and the only direction we had, we were very, very excited, and it's been proven over and over again. We made the right call. So back to you.